This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical Thermodynamics, Week 1, a 12-video course covering every thermodynamics topic on the NCEES PE Mechanical Thermal and Fluid Systems exam. Each formula and table indexed to the exact handbook section and page you'll look up on exam day. Thermodynamics is about a quarter of the PE Mechanical, Thermal, and Fluid Systems exam, roughly 18 of 80 questions. Every formula you need is already in the handbook. The hard part is finding the right one under time pressure. So this course teaches handbook-driven thermodynamics, not just thermodynamics. Every video follows the same 4 beats: concept, setup, solve, traps. And whenever you see a formula, look for the yellow pill. It's the exact section and page in the NCEES Handbook 2.0. Practice finding those while you study. On exam day, fast handbook navigation is the whole game. Let's start. Topic 1 is thermodynamic properties and state, the foundation everything else builds on. And it's only about 10 minutes. Tap the next video to begin. PE Prep Engine, free exam prep, built by a practicing engineer. If the course helps you, subscribe. That's the only ask.
The full study guide with every equation and common exam trap is free at peprepengine.com. Link in the description. Machine design, HVAC, structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.